Welcome in our new vlog on Pelion Peninsula.
Yeah, this is our second week here. Last week we had an amazing time. You can watch it in our previous vlog.
Great place here.
Great place, look at this.
But now, the second part, we're going to see donkey paths.
We're going to go to villages with hard to pronounce names into the mountains. We're going in search of donkey paths. We're going to hike there. We're going to visit some traditional villages.
Maybe
and we're going to
again.
Maybe a beach again, hopefully a beach again. And we're going to end in Volos again, where it all started.
Shopping.
First breakfast and enjoying this view.
We enjoy our time here on this amazing beach. Unwinding while enjoying the moment. Carving a wooden spoon. Buying fruit and veggies from a local vendor. Baking a whole wheat loaf. Doing yoga exercises on the beach in the late afternoon. Making time for our furry friends who love food and attention. After exercise, cooling down in the sea with our friend. And we are ending our stay here in a local taverna with tasty Greek food. We just left Lefokastro beach after 4 nights we stayed there. It was a really nice place.
Fantastic. It was one
fantastic.
of my highlights of the trip so far.
Yeah, the beach was so beautiful. The water was so clear. Good weather. We had everything we wanted. It was a relaxing time. But
Thank you, Annelies.
Thank you, Annelies, for the tip. Yes, but now we want to go to the other side of the island, the east side. It's to Damughari, because we want to do some hiking again. There are some donkey paths there.
Try to find them.
We try to find them and try to follow them. I think we are lucky. We are looking for olive oil because ours is almost finished, and we just passed a small shop.
We have arrived in Damughari. Damughari.
Yes.
All those names, every day another city or village. After a while it's very confusing. We have arrived, filled up with water, but it's still a bit drizzling, so we're going to wait after lunch for our hike. It's only a 2 or 3 hour hike.
Not that long.
Not that long, but first we have a coffee.
In Damughari.
Damughari. Here we are again. Had a coffee, had lunch. It's only 1 o'clock now, but the weather is a little better, although still dark clouds covering the mountains. It's not going to rain. So we're going to start our hike, and immediately it's with a steep uphill. And this is one of the paths, the donkey paths. This region is famous for it. They used to use these paths in the old age to connect the villages with the donkeys for travel. But it's a very steep and slippery path, so we have to take care. 5 minutes and a 2-hour walk. Let's say 10 minutes. And another dog is following us. I don't know, do we smell or don't know why they always follow us. The dog is still following us.
Yes. Sometimes walking before our feet.
Yeah, in front of us, so we stumble over him. But we decided to take a shortcut. See, Komoot said we left the tour. I saw on Komoot we can make a shortcut. Yeah, shut up.
It's so humid today. So humid.
I just checked the weather and it's a humidity of 85% because there's rain in the air. So hot, so humid. So we decided to go back because also the pot is overgrown. It's no fun walking. The beginning was very beautiful, but after a while it started going uphill, very steep, and it's too humid.
Too humid, but it will be okay. Back to the car, Boris. Then
refresh
maybe
ourselves.
see the natural pools. They have natural pools here. We can walk to
Although,
there.
yeah, although there's no weather to jump into.
We can put our feet in there.
And then we go into Xorrichto, a bit higher in the mountains to spend the night.
We passed there today already for coming here.
Oh, so humid. Hello, Boris.
Hello, Boris. We're back. So that
And trying to give the dog some food. We only have cat food left because that huge dog in Gorto finished all our food. But on the beach in Lefokastro, the dogs liked our cat food, so let's see if he likes it. If not, we have some bread left. Bye, Boris.
again.
Gave the dog some food and drink and water. Now we go in another donkey pad, only a small one, I guess, short one, to the beach, checking out the natural pools and the rest of the beachfront. Walking through this village and we couldn't resist. We saw on the menu
vegan cappuccino, Freddo.
Freddo. And with this view, can't go wrong.
That's right.
Very creamy.
Very, very good.
Was a pretty great day actually. The walk itself was not the most beautiful one. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. The start was very good, but after a while it was overgrown. That's why we turned back. We had a good coffee with a perfect view in that village. Daramchi. I write it down here. Can't remember it anymore. And now we're in Gorrichti. Mountain village. The access road to our spot here was pretty demanding, not to say extremely steep, but I have to say the place itself not shabby at all. Great views. Going to enjoy it with the beer while Anne is preparing dinner. Like I said, great view.
We just arrived at Milion, whatever, how they call it, the name. We will do a small walk, I think from 1 hour or something, to see the terraces. Because today we're going to see mountain villages, all on Pelion Peninsula.
And this is the first one.
This is the first one.
Ready? Ready?
Dreaming, keep dreaming. Take it easy, guys. Time and tide waits for no man.
Time is ticking away.
There's nothing
No more to roam. I'm just going overjoyed. I'm just going. And I know dark clouds will gather round. I know my way is rough.
When you walk in the mountains of Pelion, you'll find kaldirimis or donkey paths. In the 18th century, a network of beautiful arched stone bridges and paved donkey paths was built throughout Pelion in order to bring produce down from the higher areas. Through time, a great deal of these paths have been destroyed, neglected or tarmacked, but some parts are still intact.
See my father, I'm going there. No more to roam. I'm just going overjoyed. I'm just going.
We're making our way down into the village. We're almost there.
Yeah.
It was a great walk.
Very beautiful here.
Yeah.
All those forests.
Lush
trees.
forests, donkey paths,
Yeah.
and maybe the best has yet to come.
Best is yet to come.
I spotted some craft beers in the village.
Ah, for you.
I'm going to check them out.
I hope to find no cheese pie.
Ah, no, spinach pie.
Spinach pie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit hungry already.
But so satisfied.
It was a beautiful walk. Awesome. We finished our walk in Milias. Now we're already in the next village, Vizica. And Anne went to the bakery. I already tasted it. It's a pie filled with olives, tomato, paprika. Tastes a bit like a pizza. Very good. Not as crunchy as the last one with spinach, but it's very good, like pizza. Good boy.
In Vizica it was only a small visit. We just walked to the main square. There are some nice old houses, mansions there, and a lot of cats, but for the rest, I think the region is most beautiful when you go for a hike here.
Like
we
this
did.
morning, and you see the small paths.
Yeah.
Now we're going to our next one, last one of today,
And what's the name of it?
Pinacates.
Pinacates. You make it.
That's the last one before returning to Volos.
Yeah.
And it's over with the fun here in Pelion Peninsula.
Yeah, follow us shopping. We need a lot of food.
Grocery shopping.
Everything is empty almost.
Laundry.
Yeah. house now.
Shopping's done.
Our clothes are drying.
So we're almost ready here on the Pelion Peninsula. We're leaving this afternoon on to our next destination.
So that's the end of this vlog too.
We hope you liked it. If so, give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe if you haven't already.
And of course, as always, leave a comment.
Yeah, we love to answer your
Yeah,
comments.
we see you next week.
See you next week. Thank you for watching.
Bye guys.